What's going on, guys? Another day at Bedrock Motors. I got a 370Z. Let's go check it out. I would have rather taken a touchscreen display, but Nissan, you still made a good car.
Feels like we're in a Corvette almost. We're so low.
Nah, someone's gonna get really mad if you see Alright guys, we're currently in the Z. This thing's shifting like a dream. 2018, only 43,000 miles. This could be you. Bedrock Motors, best in the game. Come on, stop playing with us.
So good. Rogers, Minnesota.
Yes, sir. All right, Charlie, honest review of this car.
It's fun.
And what makes it a fun car? Is it the 6-speed manual? Is it the V6? Or is it everything combined?
It's everything, man. It handles well. It shifts well.
And that Bedrock red, that paint job.
This car is the full package.
Right off Northdale Boulevard. Come check us out at any time, guys. We're back home, baby. What is that, Charlie? That's next week. Don't show them that till next week. 13830 Northdale Boulevard, Rogers, Minnesota 55374. Come visit us at any time. Stop playing with the best in the game. 370Z to check out. Let's go.
Let's check out this Z.
Let's go.